Hi everyone, let's bake this fresh berry layered cake together, quick and easy. Please feel free to buy this in your grocery store. They do have the pre-made cakes, but if not, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You're gonna bake this cake for an hour. Here are the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, salt to taste. I normally use a pinch of salt, 3/4 cups of almond milk, or you could use oat milk, water, it's up to you, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil, and about 3 cups of flour. A trick, I use 1 cup of raw cane sugar. I don't really use a lot of the white sugar. Combine everything according to, the normal mix: dry ingredients, wet ingredients. Grease the baking pan or dish and bake in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour. Get any seasoned fruits you want to. This one is blueberries and strawberries. You could use a kiwi, bananas, up to you. You're gonna slice the cake after it's cool. I recommend when it cools down, put it in the fridge for about an hour or two. It helps the cake to set up. So slice your strawberries and add it to one layer, or you could mix strawberries with blueberries. The second layer, do the same thing, or if you want to mix and match whatever fruits you have, it's up to you. Once you're done, put it back in the refrigerator. I did put some Cool Whip in between the cake and the fruits. It helps the fruits sit better on top of the cake. If you like this quick recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.